So, run.
So good day everyone. So we have a problem K design, wood rough K torque capacity. So I have a given of 35 diameter of 35 millimeter, shear stress 46 MPa. So what's this? W is 10 millimeter and length number is 30 millimeter. So ito required is K. So we have the solution Fs equals to W times N times shear stress. So we have Fs equals 10 times 30 times 46. Ito is 15,800 Newton. So T is equals to Fs times T over squared. So we have ito yung butang value. Natay 13 sa Fs 13,800. So times 35 over 2. Natay 241,500 Newton meter. So convert na to sa millimeter ay sa meter. Natay 241.5 Newton meter. So the next problem is Planck junction shearing. So natay given na diameter 600 mm, natay power na 3 gigawatts. So ito siya convert sa 2 watts, natay 3 million watts. So number of speed na to is 100 rpm and the thickness is 100 mm. So speed limit is 60 MPa. Record na itong kumpang is ang shearing stress. So solution is P is equals to P times 60 over 2 pi na speed is equals to 3 million times 60 over 2 pi times 100. So ang kati is 286,478,900 Newton millimeter. So yung kati is equals to pi times d times thickness times shear stress and times d over 2. So palagi na ito itong value. Pag wala na ito, atay shear stress na 5.066 megapascal. So we have convert ito is 5.07 MPa. So last is bolt shearing in ground couplings. So we have given of this was 35 mm and number of bearings is 6. So itong diameter 1 is 125 mm. Tatay T na 800 Newton millimeter. Convert ito sa millimeter is 800,000 Newton millimeter. So we have a shear stress na 56 MPa. Required na ito count is D1 diameter. So the solution of T is equals to N times N ay pi over 4 times D1 squared times shear stress times D1 over 2. So we have 800,000 na T and 6, ang N na to is 6. So times pi over 4 times D1 squared times 56 na ito na shear stress natin. D1 na diameter na 125 over 2. So we have a D1 squared 48.8. So natin sa square. So nato siya yung square root of 48.5. So ang answer is 6.96 mm. Convert nato siya yung sa cm.